Hi. Hello. At VectorShift, I am Vansh. So basically, I done the first assignment. What we are doing, we are giving are related to HubSpot OAuth. So what is like why we use OAuth, right? So basically, VectorShift is a company where we are taking a lots of external data because suppose user want to information about their company, like they have multiple clients, so they want the information about their client, so we store, or also they use some pre-existing crm before, like before using VectorShift, so they have account in HubSpot and they have lots of data related to it, but they using VectorShift for the automation or something like that, they want their data. So basically we connect that using OAuth to get that data to HubSpot, and we use in LLM or something like that based on the automation pipeline, right? So let's show the project first. It's better. So our backend is running, our front end is also running. Let's check localhost 3000, HubSpot, connect to HubSpot. It's OAuth. Yeah, here we connected that. Let's load the data. We loaded lots of data. Is I pretty parallel, so like I add into HubSpot, and so we easily got that data, and we use this data into our LLM bricks. Let's describe the code, how everything works. So basically we have a backend and front end. Let's go to front backend. In backend we have like integration item, which is the class, and we have to send data accordingly. But in the initial code we don't have a domain, but in the last we added as a domain. And let's start with the HubSpot. So we have some secrets and tokens and everything is local right now, we don't deploy anything. Okay, so first function, which is authorized has HubSpot. Why we are using it? So basically what here we do, we generate some unique state, and then we can encode it and store into Redis for the next verification, and return this whole like authorization URL to user. And after they call to OAuth callback, and we receive the whole receive the code and state of the HubSpot, validate the state. Here we validate everything, and we also check in the cache. We also and exchange the authorization code, right? After that, here we deleting the key from the Redis and add as a credential, and the close that window, right? In the next, what here in the function, what we do, we store the credential in the Redis cache, and we use when we need, or we delete it when we don't need, right? Based on the need. So let's go to the next function. How do we get the item from the HubSpot? So basically right now I just implemented for the company's data, but we have lots of APIs in HubSpot. We have to integrate everything based on the what we need, right? And here function retrieve a list of HubSpot company data and convert into integration item object. So basically we have lots of data, but we have to form specific format like this. So we use something called this function, create item metadata object, and we convert into this. And one more thing, our page have lots of like can have lots of like data, because pagination or something like that. So we use something fetch item, where we fetch everything like paginated item, and we fetch everything in and attach everything, and then using integration object, and then store or use it as a list of integration item. This type of here we use everything like this. Okay, and I will show you another thing is related to me. uh, Suppose I have experienced a lot in the building the in the startups. I like designing the whole infrastructure by myself, and like implement everything, like from starting from the end, like project structure, like what is how to system design of the architecture of the project, then how to microservice micro architecturing this, how to design it properly, and then coded everything, and then also deploying DevOps everything end to end by myself. So I have a lots of experience in startup, and I am also a new grade person. My college is done in 2025, but as in last 6 months of the our year, we don't have everything. So basically from the November 2024, I am not going to college for like 6 months, but our degree is done in April 2025. But we have 6 months break, or we can work with any company or like that. Okay. So I design everything by myself. It's like a Probo, which is like like transaction company, not a transaction properly. It's a stock trading, opinion trading platform where we can trade lots of opinion and everything. Design myself. It's a lots of logic here. I done. Okay. I have lots of experience related to it. Yeah. Thanks for the watching.